Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this graphic and want to know how to draw it. You don't really have to draw it, you can trace it. I've already reduced it in size so it'll trace better. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace Clip Art, and in just a few seconds it's traced it. Now, it's going to have a white center, but we don't really care because we're not going to use particularly the center. We're going to go to order back a page, and you can see it's white on the inside. Now we're going to take our yellow and take away the fill by left clicking no fill. And we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now we have the shape of that item. We could do a couple things. We could break the curve apart, or we could just take the Smart Fill tool and I would choose a different color. And now we have the shape of that item. I am going to left click, right click, and then I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. And I'm going to contour the inside with rounded corners 0.1. I am going to go up to Object and break the contour apart. I'm going to go ahead and select both lines and make them something other than a hairline and make them a little thicker like the original. I am going to take the inside line, and you can see it's got red down here. We're going to make it black by right clicking, and then I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard. I'm going to make sure I scale with Object, and I'm going to pick this is a straight line. We're going to pick another dotted line and say OK. Because the reason I scaled it with Object, because the graphic was quite large at first. So there you have it. Without really drawing anything, you've got pretty much a good rendition of the original. If we look at them side by side. Whoop. It looks pretty close, if not dead on. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.